Hello guys, today I will show you how you can create or use emoji symbols in Power BI report page. Here we have three ways to create or use emoji symbols. First one is using Unicode, second one is using keyboard keys, and third one is online copy and paste. Here we have some emoji Unicode numbers from 128512 till 128530. All numbers are in sequence way. If you notice last two digits, it is 12, then 13, 14, 15 till 30. So this is some basic Unicode numbers and we will use all numbers in our measures section. So let's start from first way, using Unicode. So just right click to your dataset and then click to new measure. So firstly we will change measure name, and here I give measure name emoji1, and now I will use unichar function. It returns the Unicode number, and I will use first emoji Unicode number, and that is 128512. Then close the double quote and then close the bracket. So if you see here, I used this first one number 128512 and then click to commit. So here I already took one card visual and then drag your measure here. So you can see here this is laughing emoji. Now we will create second measure, and here again we will use unichar function, then start double quote and then use Unicode number 128513 and then close the double quote and close the bracket and change the measure name emoji2. So if you notice here, I use second Unicode number, that is emoji Unicode number 128513 and then click to commit. Now drag your measure to card visual. So you can see here this is second emoji number. So this is first way to create emojis. Now move to the second way, and that is using keyboard keys. So just right click the dataset and then click to new measure. Change your measure name emoji3. So start from double quote and then press window and dot key together. So you can see here emojis window has been open, and here we have lots of options for emoji symbol, and on single click you can select any emojis. So suppose I select this one emojis on single click, you can see here, then I select OK hand emoji and then click to cancel window and then close double quote and then click to commit. Now drag your measure to card visual. So you can see here this is second way to create emojis in Power BI report page. Now we will discuss third way, it is online copy and paste. So here we have very good website getemojis.com. Just open the URL and from here you can direct copy any emoji symbol. Suppose I copy this symbol and then press Ctrl C and go to Power BI file and then right click to dataset name, click to new measure, and here you can directly paste emoji symbol under double quote and then click to commit. Then drag your measure to card visual. So this is third way to use emoji symbol in your Power BI report page. So hope you clear how you can use or create emoji symbol in your Power BI report page. Thank you guys.